Hi guys, I am Isa. Today we're gonna learn how to make a number guessing game using Python. Anyways, so first we're going to import random. We'll have to generate some random number. So we're gonna generate some random number from 1 to 1,000. So num is equal to random.randoms 0, 1,000. So we're gonna say while true, imp is equal to input. What is the number? So now when you run it, it's gonna generate the number. It's gonna say what is the number. So let's just print the number generating just to be sure that it's generating. So print num. So here the number is 19. So let's run it again. Here's number 359. And let's run it again. Here's number 583. So now we're sure that it's random number. So what is the number? So it's going to be the integer value of that. And so I'm going to say if imp is greater than num, so print too big. And if imp less than num, print too small. And else, so like if nothing's wrong with it, then I'm gonna say break. So what's the number? Like I'm gonna write 199. Too big. Oh yeah, here I'm gonna say if imp is equal to num, so it's gonna break. So it's the number 500, too small. So 750, too big. Maybe 600, too small, 220. So yeah, just keep doing this until you get the number. So the number here was 740. But let's make this if by random chance, then it's going to display this, and if another random chance is going to tell you, it's going to ask you a random math question. So let's just tag all of this out somehow. So let's make a math question. So num1 is equal to random.randoms 0, 20. Num2 be random.randoms. Oh wait, no, negative 20. 20. Num2 negative 20, 20. So yeah, number 1 and number 2 are random numbers. Say while true. Yeah, I'm also gonna say while true, s is equal to random.randoms from 1 to 4. So if s is equal to 1, then we're going to do an addition problem. So imp is equal to, let's say while true, imp is equal to, no, first I'm going to write the answer. N is equal to num1 plus num2. Let me just copy these things onto here. So input will be input. What is, I'm going to put num1. Okay, instead I'm just going to use an F string. So what is num1 plus num2? So Let's say if imp is equal to the answer, it's gonna print correct. Also gonna make a new line. Else prints wrong. Alright, I'm gonna put this ant equals num1 plus num2 over here. Also, after printing correct, it's gonna break the loop. And so now just copy this for subtraction. If s equals 2, so the s equals to 2 is subtraction. So I'm gonna change this down here to minus. And we're going to do multiplication. But if s equals to 3, then change everything here. For division, just change s to 4. Equals num1 divided by num2. So since like num1 divided by num2, you have like 7 divided by 6. Oh, that's not, you can't write that down. So I'm going to say round the num2, then round it to like 1 digit. And when m1 divided by num2, round it. And so now let's run our project. 7 divided by 8, you know what? Well, 7 divided by 8 should be like 1. Wrong. 0. Wrong. Okay, just 2. Wait, so now it's, what is 8 times negative 6? So usually 8 times 6 should be like 48. So 8 times negative 6 should be negative 48. It never works because it did not convert the answer into integer. So you have to convert it to the integer every time, or else it's going to be registered as a string, and the string can't equal an integer, even if they have the same text in them. Okay, so 5 divided by negative 5 divided by negative 2 should be 2. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do something about that. I'm gonna import math. So here, instead of using normal, I'm gonna say math.round. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's not saying. Let's just not have division. What's 7 plus 2? Pretty easy. 9. 17 minus negative 13. Alright, so that should be 20. I mean, it's 20. It's negative 15. So yeah, it basically just shows you these questions. Have to answer them. So now let's make this if you it's going to repeat 10 times for I in range 10. If you complete all the questions, then wins. You win. Just get rid of this. So 17, negative 17 minus 11 should be 11 plus 17, should be 28. Oh wait, what? Okay, I'm not doing that. But yeah, let's just make these numbers a bit simpler so that we can see if you can actually beat the game. It's gonna display your winning method. 4 plus 4 is 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. 0 plus 4 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there's 9 times. I just wanted to do it 10 times, then write I in range 11. Then change these values back to their original. Or maybe not the original, but yeah, still. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.